Greetings, adventurers! Welcome to Miniature Legends, a place where even the smallest of figures can be legendary. Recently, I have been working on painting figures for the game Malifaux, and I ran into an unusual feature that I felt was worthy of some discussion. As you can see, this model, Misaki Katanaka, has a trail of water that she has seemingly kicked up from the ground, incorporated into her sculpt. I want to find a way to add a water feature into this model's base and have it blend in with the plastic sculpted section. As part of the assembly process, I applied my epoxy stonework only on one side of the base, which I hope will allow me to craft a somewhat convincing pond or river feature alongside this model. Consulting with the ancient tomes of miniature painting knowledge, I found a method that I wish to try today. Liquitex Gloss Gel. This substance is used by painters to enhance the viscosity and gloss of the acrylic paints they work with. It dries transparent, and I suspect that it will work as a convincing water texture. Let's try it out. First, I began with a white undercoat for the trail of water. I want to paint a pale blue and give the illusion of transparency, so having a consistent white base coat is a useful start. I painted the depressed section a dark blue. This will help sell the illusion of depth. Then, I applied a coat of light blue. Here, I glazed a dark brown to give the impression of shallow water. This effect isn't really visible in the final result, so you might be able to skip it if you want to replicate this technique. Next, I began to apply the gloss gel, mixed with the dark blue paint from earlier. Then, a layer of gel mixed with the light blue to blend the two together. After waiting for the gel to dry, I discovered that it had become far more flat than I would have liked. So I built up a layer of the clear gel and tried to sculpt some motion in with my brush strokes. As you can see, the gel tends to shrink as it dries. Here I am building up another coat. While waiting for that to dry, I added a gloss coating to the sculpted section. Then, I added some white to enhance the droplet effects. Next, I mixed up some of the light blue with the gloss gel and applied it to the raised gel. Finally, I applied a few leaves across the base. How do you think I did on incorporating this water feature into the base? I like the look of this technique, and I will try it again on future models. What would you like to see next, adventurer? Please let me know with a transcription down below. I hope to see you again soon. Farewell, adventurers.